el dron quedó trancado en un árbol a 30 metros de altura. Imposible recuperarlo, así que lo di por perdido, me despedí y esto es parte de lo que pasó cuando yo me fui de ese lugar.
Hello Sebastian, now the Rescue 1 is starting its mission. We are going to try a horizontal approach first. So the idea is with duct tape, just like MacGyver. So the fishing rod is attached, and then at the end of the fishing rod there's a hang. So the plan is to hang your drone and then just pull it down with this fishing reel. Unbelievable, but soon we will know will it work or not. But this is a first try. Let's see how it goes. The first one didn't work out so well, so now it's the second try. We have a big self-made fishing hook attached to fishing pole's end, and now we are trying to take a vertical approach. It's a little bit challenging because the wind is quite high. Even the second try, it was a good try, but this is the third one. So plan is to fly this black string around the tree top and then just shake aggressively so that the drone hopefully will drop down from the tree. And now we will start shaking the treetop. Now the treetop is broken. Sebastian, hopefully you will get the drone back by the end of next year. Look, there's a monkey in the tree.